animator's role actually becomes, I can say, first of all, the animator is actor, I can say, in animation. I mean, he is not doing physical acting himself on the screen, but he is making those character act on the screen. So he is the responsible to perform on the, to make those character perform on the screen, right? So his role becomes very crucial because he, whatever he is doing, it's coming on the screen, and that is his work is coming on the screen actually directly. So what his role becomes, why his role becomes very crucial. His role is very crucial in the entire process, because you can see on the screen that there's a background, there's small things on the screen. There's a location, this and that, and the cloth and hair, and but the character movement is the first thing which catches audience, right? I mean, if that is holding the audience, and after that the entire thing comes, which supports to make that whole thing as a story telling performance, you say, or whatever. It supports to make as a complete product. But the first thing you see on the screen, the moment it looks like, the moment the character performance looks dead, you stop watching it. So you don't connect the audience. So that's why I say there's a role, being an animator's role on the movie, or being an animator is very crucial if he has to really understand the director's mind, what the director thinks about the story, what he wants to tell to the audience. He needs to really understand what is the purpose of the shot, why the shot is there in the film, and then give what supports or what helps to tell the story, right? Even though being a small part, it's very important to fit that small part in the entire story. So that responsibility he has it, right? So that role he plays it. So he need to understand the whole thing about the director's expectations on what director wants to tell. Second thing, the style of animation required for the project, whatever projects we have a particular style or look and feel a that then it comes on that his own knowledge that he has how to nail down that stuff and into the performance, give the best of what he can do, and help that movie to make it look better. That's the animator's role. Director's role becomes it's very crucial to hold everything together and make sure that working whatever is happening in bits and pieces here and there, that like, because you see the one project is like, number of people are working, it's huge. It's not like one guy or two guys working. You see, sometimes I have handled like 70 people on one show. So you see this story, one story is going through the 50 people. Everybody has a different way of working or way of style, but combining everybody together and making sure that whatever story the director, the main film director, the story line, whatever everything is going in one, which can help the story flow, what the story requirement, because it should not go, okay, this guy has a different way of choice of performance thinking. So it's not like that he doesn't have liberty to just think his own, but he have to come up with the option and the director makes that sure that everything is lining up in a falling it in a that stream which helps the story make the story flow naturally. And